Hello, Dr. Kemp here, the Hammond Doc. Let me show you something. This is a Leslie 122 amplifier. I have a brand new volume pot that I just installed. Connect to my Fluke 1587. And now I'm going to turn the knob on the volume potentiometer and watch it change. So you notice that it's at 1.8 ohms right now, and as I change it, it's going up, and it goes up to 90.6 k ohms now. So this is a 100k ohm variable resistor. Okay, so this is the range that you would expect for a new volume pot in a Leslie 122. All right, as you change, so the volume, it would be this would be at 1 right now, and up here would be past the 10 on the volume knob. Okay, now let's do the same thing with this potentiometer that I pulled from this Leslie. So let's connect it. All right, so now you can see that this is connected, and it's all the way up to 92.6k. Let's turn it down. So we get volume, we get on this volume pot, it would work at the high level, but let's turn it down. What do we see? This is as far as it'll go down. 70.6968 ohms. So it will not, this is at 1, so it will not go past that. Now, here's what you can try to do this and see if this will make a difference. That is, clean the pot. And so some advocate doing that. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's clean the pot and see what happens. It should make a difference. Cleaning this pot should make a difference. Let's take basic deoxit right here. Just spray a little bit of deoxit in there. All right. Wasting my deoxit. Tell you the truth. And then I'm gonna spin it back and forth here. Because I'm not putting this pot back in. Yeah. All right, but now I'm gonna hook it back up. Just showing you that temporarily this can work. Sometimes, in fact, most of the time it works. This way. Until you can get a new one in there. So, for many applications, all you need to do is clean the pot. Well, this is a restoration for a customer, so I'm putting a new pot in there they are available, readily available. So all right, let's see what we get. All right, so this would be at the high range. That didn't change. Let's see if it comes on down. Still high. Okay. Now it's starting to drop. There you go. Now that's it. So that's as far as it would go. So this potentiometer is not operating at full range, at full spectrum. In other words, it doesn't go all the way down to 1 to be able to turn the volume on this amplifier all the way down if you want it quiet. So it's not operating as it should. So this volume pot needed to be replaced. Cleaning it helped it, but replacing this one is better. Look at that. That should be at 1. That's as far down as it'll go. All right. All right. So just want to share that with you, because it'll still this one will still likely work, but it's not working as it should. The full range is not achieved or achievable in this volume potentiometer. So therefore, it's better to have a brand new one in there that does as it should do. Especially when you're talking about doing a restoration project for a client. This is Dr. Kemp, the Hammond Doc. Peace out.